Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Fishing with Cody YouTube channel. I'm out here today at our private pond, and might I say, I see some beautiful fish right underneath the surface. I see heaps of bluegill. I see some bass over here. Today's video, we're bringing out the one and only Curado DC 150 paired with a Dobbins Fury 7.2 medium heavy fast action rod. We're going to see how many of these bass we can catch today. You guys stick around. I'm going to get set up and we'll go down here at the pond and see what we can catch. I'll see you in a few. Let's see what we can do. We've got on a topwater popper, purple and black and pink on the bottom there. Dual fin setup. Let's see what we can get, folks. Here we go. Beautiful cast there. Beautiful cast. Waiting for that topwater blow up. Waiting for that topwater blow up. There we go. Come on. Come on. See what we get. There we go. There it is. There he is. There he is. He got it. He's got it. He's got it. There we go. Good cast. Good bass. Good bass right there, baby. Come on over here, big guy. Come on. Look at there, boys. Woo! Look at there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get the tailgate down here so we can get him off. He's cooked a couple different ways right here. Here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, he is hooked quite well. There you go. There he is. There he is, folks. I'd say maybe half a pound, give or take. Pretty fish. Just absolutely blew up on that topwater popper. Beautiful fish, folks. There you go. Beautiful. All right, let's get him back. Let him go, let him grow. There we go. There's a topwater bass. And like I said, folks, here we go. This is what we're using. There you go, right there. Westin topwater popper, purple, pink, dual finned. Let's go see if we can get another one. He just absolutely demolished that topwater. Throw it across this bank right here. There we go. Good cast, good cast. Oh, I see some topwater action over there, guys. Let's see what we get. Nice and slow. Go. Let's go back against this bank again. So what I'm doing is, when I'm casting, I'm working this bank line right here, because usually our bass are going to stay in this grass thicket right here, and they'll ambush their prey. So I want to stay as close to that bank line as I can. Try to get any bass to bite. There we go. That's a good cast right there, boys. Might have a blow up here. Might have a blow up here. He really wanted that topwater though, his blow up. Water's looking really clear. Good one right there. There we go. Nice, good, slow retrieve. Don't have to go too fast, nothing too crazy, because those dual tail fins are really going to spice it up. Kind of let it. It's about midday here, getting into the afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good time to throw top water. You'll be feeding top. All right, let's throw back over there. There we go. There we go. Okay. There he is. Got him, ladies and gentlemen. Got tied up that drag. Got another one. Big pretty boy right there. Get him in here. Boy, they're really killing this top water today. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got us another one. We'll get him back to the truck and get him off on the tailgate. There you go. There you go, folks. I'd say he's the tiniest we're gonna get today. Pretty little bass. Yeah. So it's good to catch him in. Grow, let him go, let him grow. Let's get him back in there. All right, guys, and that has been our top water game for today on the Curado DC 150 with the Dobyns Fury 7'3" fast action rod. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a like, subscribe, post down in the comments what you guys like to fish. Into the next video. Peace out, guys.